Your Money and Your Brain by Zweig. Welcome to yourbooksummary.com. Anticipation of making money can be more exciting than actually getting the money. It can affect the stock market too. For example, when a company said it would sequence the human genome, its stock went up. But when they finished it, the stock went down. This is because the excitement was over. The word for wanting money eagerly is greed. Here are some tips to manage greed. Be careful of people promising easy money. Don't expect to always make a lot of money in the stock market. Only buy stocks in companies you understand. Set limits on how much you're willing to risk. Pay attention to what triggers your greed, like checking stock prices too often. Think carefully before making investment decisions. And remember, money doesn't bring happiness. It's better to do things that make you happy. I hope you found the information about Your Money and Your Brain by Zweig. If you're interested in learning more about the book, stay tuned for the next part of this series where we'll dive into the next section. Thanks again for watching, and I will see you in the next video.